Truck!
Time Truck must have arch nemesis. But who? Like Time Truck said, but who?
Perhaps I can help.
Hello, George Washington.
To discover your enemy, you must think like your enemy.
So if Time Truck think like enemy... Oh, right, Time Truck forgot about Time Pizza that sent Time Truck through time involent when Time Truck not want to? Right. Oh, hello, Time Truck. Time Truck not see you there. What Time Truck saying about enemy? Oh yeah, so if Time Truck think like enemy, Time Truck need find who send Time Pizza to Time Truck. Well, Time Truck just order pizza. You? Yeah, Time Truck have coupon for Time Pizza. Is that bad? You mean Time Truck is Time Truck own arch nemesis? Sure? Wow, this heavy discovery. Thanks, George Washington. Huh?
Ding dong! Your time pizza's here.
Thank you, Doug. Please put it on floor. Pizza, no! Trust me, Time Truck. Time Pizza bad news. But it pizza. Time Truck, you ever hear phrase, you your own worst enemy? No? Oh.
I'm gonna go. Time Truck!